My name is Vanessa Joy. I'm a Canon Explorer of Light, and welcome to this mentorship. I met Bhuvana when she messaged me on Instagram with the sweetest thing I had ever had somebody send me. It was not only very kind and flattering, but it showed me that she was somebody who knew how to work hard and overcome any obstacles in her way, including a language barrier. Without further ado, I'm going to invite you onto the session where I actually ask her to be my mentee. Let's get this started. I feel like I should ask you in person to make it official if you are able to be my mentee for the next couple of months.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Tell me where you started in photography.
2011 is when I moved to US, so I was just all by myself, alone with my 1-year-old. The day I got my Canon T3i, I finished off that manual in 1 or 2 days. I'm a kind of person, if I start something, I want to master it. I want to be a multicultural wedding photographer. I don't want to stick to one diversity. So when it comes to that point, I'm stuck.
Are there any little things that you're like, oh, I want to learn how to do that?
Emotion. Trying my best to get the right emotion for the right pose.
Okay, so mastering posing quickly and then quickly getting those emotions from people. Yeah, I love it. What I will do is I'm going to take everything you said and I'm going to come up with a plan of what we'll focus on. You'll be helping me with the styled shoot. We'll be able to work with networking, talking about different ways to get your work out there, clean up your social media, your website to make it look really polished, some of the key things that you need to have. I'm going to put together an outline and then you'll let me know what you think and then we'll get started. All right, so I'm getting on my first meeting with Bhuvana, and to start things off, to kick things off, I wanted to have her meet with my branding advisor. I figured this would give us a good base to start. Let's get into the call. Meet each other, ladies.
Hi, my name's Kaylee. I have my whole entire career done brand strategy, both for businesses and for events.
My goal is to be a multicultural wedding photographer. I want to be able to do both, and I want to be able to appeal to both the clients.
I don't know if I told you this, Bhuvana, when you first said you want to do multicultural weddings, from my perspective, that means you want to do more like Indian and Pakistani weddings, but from your perspective, it's the opposite, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Well, I definitely think brand is like so broad, but brand ultimately is what other people say it is. Like your brand is how other people describe you. And having a successful brand, in my opinion, is the combination of being able to showcase your personality and what you love to do and what you want to do. And then also understanding like who are these clients that you would like to be attracting and working with, and understanding them on a deep level so that when they land on your site, they feel heard and understood and like you're perfect for them. At first glance, I would say it's better than I anticipated, but there's areas that could be improved. And I think that one of the things would just be font consistency. I think you're showing a lot of diversity in terms of couples on the site. One of the things I would recommend, so we know that the About page is the second most visited page on the website. So we want to put that probably second in your navigation and ending with contact, because people just naturally go to the top right for the contact. And so we want to make it easy to just put it there. I think that the template itself doesn't probably need a lot of work. It doesn't feel outdated. It's clean. It seems like it's easy to navigate in terms of sections. So I think my focus for you would probably be adjusting the colors, just comparatively to what I think locally. I think you could really just help yourself stand out a little bit by using colors, and then figuring out what is that header, subheader, body font that you can use in repetition throughout the pages, and then you leaning on Vanessa to really curate what are those 10 to 15 images that are really powerful that you can put kind of throughout the site.
All right, so you're all set, Bhuvana, and then we'll be in touch and we'll arrange our next meeting. So thank you. Hey guys, I just met Bhuvana for the very first time a month into our mentoring, and we just shot an engagement session of complete strangers because I'm trying to move to Austin and work on my business. I gave away a free engagement session and Bhuvana came with me, and I was able to have her observe and see the things that I do, and I hope, were there any good things? Did I do good things?
Oh, that's amazing. I learned a lot.
Oh, good. I'm glad. Anyway, we're gonna do another shoot this week, and Bhuvana's been working really hard on her marketing. We're getting together email templates and Instagram, making it look like a mini website. She redid her website, redid her logos. We've got a lot going on. I'm excited for us to end up being like before and after when we get to the end.
I'm so excited.
Yeah. All right.
When I started, she just stopped me, and then she said, like, hey, you have to behave yourself. They organized this for us, and you're just starting early. I was like, I don't know what to reply.
Photographers at shootouts, and here's the difference. Shootouts are the worst thing in the world because honestly, that happens all the time, but you have some snot photographer who just feels the need to be mean or be more powerful or whatever.
Yeah.
Like, don't let those experiences with those idiots hurt you, because for every one idiot there is out there, there's 20 other photographers that are way better. But the difference is, I will come kick their asses because now I'm mad. You've never been to one, or you don't know that somebody that doesn't know how to speak to another human being.
Yeah.
Ignore those people, find better people. This is a lesson in speaking with confidence. That's far away. It doesn't have a microphone on it. When you speak to me, I can't hear you. Just say ABC to the camera.
ABC.
Close. All right. Now what I want you to do, go, next time won't you sing with me?
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Good. Now this time, hum it. So you go. Do you feel how your muscle has to tighten?
Yeah.
Now you're going to sing it again, but keep that muscle tightened and speak out to it. It's also helpful if your shoulders are back.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Good. Now pretend you're not talking to this. You're talking to that
Sure.
do not enter sign. That has to hear you.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Next time, won't you sing with me? No one's looking at you. You can say it louder.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
There it is. So the key to speaking in confidence is loudly, because your English is awesome. You don't have to worry about people not understanding your English. You have to say it just louder. When you do that, if they don't understand you, they think it's their fault. Because you're speaking clearly and you're speaking with confidence. It's their problem if they don't understand it. But it's your problem if you're too quiet. Okay. So try telling the do not enter sign over there, spin her around, and then pull her in for a kiss.
I want you to spin her around and pull her for a kiss.
Do it again. Really?
I want you to spin her around and pull her for a kiss.
So much better. Yes. That's today's lesson.
I feel so confident. I can definitely see that in my portfolio, in the way I'm talking to my clients and in my social media, trying to level up my game.
I can definitely see the difference has leveled up what your photography business looks like, which is incredible.
Thank you. And also, I learned a lot of stuff, like a lot of things like lighting style and how to shoot, even though the location has tons of things to offer. That was mind-blowing. I literally saw a difference with the same location where I shot months back, and now I'm just looking for the light, the style, and how I want to portray my business. That has helped me a lot. I am also working on editing style that I want to have to stick to. With the business side, I mean, when it comes to my business, there are two set of clients. Now I'm going more towards the clients that I want. I have two more weddings coming up in the next few months. It's a fusion wedding. That is where I want to go towards. And I'm so happy about that.
That's amazing. I think we found ways for you to attract those clients through your branding, the photos that you're choosing to take, and then the photos that you're choosing to post. I'm so glad it was helpful.
That has helped me a lot. Down the line, I want to be exclusive fusion wedding photographer, and I want to get booked 25 weddings or 30 weddings per year, and I want to see my calendar full.
Those are awesome goals. And I know you'll push and work hard and be able to get there probably sooner than you expect. So
I want to thank you and Canon for giving me an opportunity. I still get goosebumps. It's a big opportunity to learn from you. If I have to tell anything to someone, just keep trying. That's all. I know that day one where I started, it was definitely not easy, but I'm here. If I can do it, everybody can do it.
it's been awesome working with you, and I will be in Austin soon. So it's like, this is goodbye to the video that all of you are watching right now, but not quite
Yeah.
goodbye to the two of us, because in a few months we'll be living in the same town. So we're going to see each other a lot.